Good evening and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Tonight you join us here at Universal Studios Orlando for the Halloween Horror Night events. Now tonight we're not going to concentrate on doing all the houses like we did the other day. We're going to try and soak up some of the atmosphere, go to the tribute store, try and go to this show because we didn't do the show last time, and just try and take up all of that sort of thing. We are going to do a few houses, but we're not concentrating on trying to get all 10 of the houses done because we've done them. But that being said, the first thing we want to do is go to two houses. Just because they're close together, they are quite small. We are in the Stay and Scream, so we can get let out straight into them two houses, and we can get those two houses done in about 15 minutes. Ooh, it's also worth noting that the reason why we can do those two houses in 15 minutes is because we have Express Pass. If you haven't got Express Pass, yeah, you're probably talking about 20 minutes per line. So the event's just opened, and we're heading through to our first house, which is Slaughter Cinema 2. Strike what I just said, we are not doing Slaughter Cinema 2 because there's a delayed opening on it. So we're going to go back and do the other two at the start of the park. Yay! So we're going to go out in Goblin's Feast and Universal Monsters Eternal Bloodlines. Well, not go on because that's a ride. Go in because it's a house. So as I was saying earlier, these are the two houses that are next to each other, and when you go through one, the exit line comes out and you can get straight into the entrance for the other one. Now if it's quiet like this one with a 5-minute wait, you can get through these two in about 15 minutes, or if you've got an express pass like we have. Our first house, Universal Monsters Eternal Bloodlines. So we entered the fast pass, the express lane, at 5 to 6. It's just gone 6 o'clock and we've done the first house already. So if you've got an express pass and it's nice and quiet, you will get through these houses pretty quickly. So next up we have Goblin Feast. And like I say, there's one house and it exits, and you get into the next one and go straight into this one. So Goblin Feast, that's quite a short house. It's fun, but a short one. And just put it in perspective, we're walking back out now and it's 7 minutes past 6. So we've done those two houses in less than 15 minutes on a quiet midweek night and with Express Pass. And to be fair, even without Express Pass, Goblin Feast is actually a walk-on at the moment. Literally walk straight through. Now it's time for Slaughter Cinema 2. Well, that house got Emma quite a few times. She was behind me pushing Ellie, and on a few occasions I just heard, "Ah!" and it was Emma. Next up, the Museum Deadly Exhibits. And I know I said I was going to concentrate on the houses, but we may as well when they're right next to each other. And after this, we're going to check out a scare zone before going to the show.
This fall, our newest exhibit will be opening. The Rotting Stone from Western Europe.
I've got those.
So when I head on into the Halloween Horror Nights tribute store, which the entrance is an old shipping container, and this is very true because in New York they do use these as tunnels when they're working above to stop anything hitting your head when you walk on the sidewalk. Lots of Ghostbusters merch.
Oh, everybody's work has the magnets. Send help! Are they coming out? Where's the
Quiet place. Lots of treats, macarons, Ecto-1 caramels, mini Stace Puff, small. How amazing is this? This is just a shop. And look how themed it is. Now, I don't know if you can hear me for all this noise, but we're going to head out towards the show, and we need to walk through a scare zone to get there, so enjoy. Okay, we've just come out of the show. Thoughts on the show? Fantastic. It was a really, really good show. At points there was too much going on because you didn't know where to look and you missed things. So I think it's one of them shows you can watch maybe 3 or 4 times to be able to see everything. The caveat on that, you have to be central. We were kind of off to the right of the stage, or left of the stage if you're looking from the stage, and quite low down. And our viewpoint was really bad. Oh, and we weren't allowed to film or take any photographs. Bear that in mind. We're now heading into Ghostbusters, just because. Why not? So there you have it. That was Universal Studios Halloween Horror Nights again. See you on the next one. I'm going to bed. Now it's time to do your job.